Canon's in-body image stabilization, or IBIS, can behave glitchily with third-party electronic EF mount and some RF mount lenses. You may have experienced this for yourself, or perhaps avoided using such lenses on your own camera. There is a partial workaround, however, which I'll demonstrate with this Canon R7 and Sigma EF mount 10 to 20mm f4.5 to 5.6. When this lens is properly mounted and IBIS switched on, it goes berserk, far worse than no stabilization at all. If you slightly unseat the lens, however, note the aperture value is now 00. Things are far more stable. They're still a bit shaky. Checking the image stabilizer option reveals a focal length sub-option when IS mode is on, which in this case was set to 400mm. Setting it to 10 or 20mm gives a silky smooth performance. As you might have guessed, however, this workaround has some serious flaws. As far as the camera is concerned, you have a fully manual lens with no electronic contacts. Unless your lens has an aperture ring, your f-stop will be set to wide open in photo mode or whatever you set it to when unseating for video, though you can get the latter for photos if you also were pressing the depth of field preview button at the time. You will lose autofocus altogether, and if your lens's autofocus is not mechanical, such as in the case of this EFS 18 to 135mm, you may not be able to manually focus either. For some lenses, such as the pre-firmware fix Sigma RF mount 17 to 40mm, you can immediately fully seat the lens back and still benefit from the improved IBIS performance. But for the Sigma 10 to 20mm, it goes right back to its original behavior. I hope you found this method and video interesting and maybe even useful. Leave a comment below and let us know what lenses you tried this on and how they behaved. And if you liked the video, please like and/or subscribe.